In this video, we're going to talk about lists. Let's go ahead and get started. So HTML can have unordered list, ordered list, or description list, and I'll go over each of those here in just a second. So unordered lists, they start with what's called a UL tag. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to type in a new paragraph, and I'm going to call this one. Actually, I'm going to go with H2 size heading, and I'm going to say unordered list. Okay, unordered list starts with UL, and then everything inside of this list, any kind of text I want to put in per line, it starts with the LI tag. So let's say, for example, I want to go build a grocery list. Okay, I'm going to say grocery list, and I want apples, oranges, and bananas. Each line item or list item is the LI tag. It's LI and then whatever your content is, and then close out with an LI tag, closing tag. Let's go ahead and open the file. And what you'll see is an unordered list. It's just a bunch of bullet points. Okay, grocery list, apples, oranges, bananas. No particular order here. Let's go and do a sample of an ordered list. An ordered list, unlike an unordered list, has basically it would be something in order, in series. For example, how to tie your shoes, how to load a rifle, or whatever. Okay. Instead of UL, you have an open OL tag, and then the rest of it's pretty much the same. Alright, those are the steps right there to unlock a door and open it. And here's what you would see. Ordered list. Oops, hold on. Let me type in a paragraph real quick. Steps to unlock an open door. Again, put the key in the lock, unlock the door, open the door. You'll see that, indeed, it does have bullet points there. So that's a quick ordered list. Okay. And let's go and take a look at a description list. So description lists are set up a little bit differently. What they have is they have the DL tag, which defines the description list, and then the DT, which defines the term. So let's say, for example, I want to type in the description for coffee. Okay. And that's what you would see for description list. And you can go on and on and on after that, creating new entries if you want to. All right. And then, let's see. You can do nested lists, basically. And on those, one of the easiest way to do that is, let's say I had a let's say I have a grocery list. Again. And we want to do something like this. Let's go with line item for produce. We'll make that an unordered list, because grocery list doesn't necessarily have to be lockstep, like you have to buy apples before you buy oranges. That doesn't make sense. So we're going to say produce, and we'll say meat. So in produce, let's say we'll get another unordered list. Again, we're nesting them, so we're just recreating our lists, kind of. And let's say apples and oranges. And in meat, we'll have, I don't know, like salami and steak. Okay, go ahead and save the file. Let's go ahead and run it. And just had a little typo there I had to fix. Okay, there we go. And what you'll see here is we have a nested list, a grocery list. In the produce section, we're buying apples and oranges. In the meat section, we're buying salami and steak. Now, you can look through the tutorial and look at changing the numerals in uppercase and lowercase and all that junk if you'd like on your own time, but it is not necessary for the course. If you want to make your bullet points customized, you're more than welcome to do that. And if you have questions on how to do that, if after you've looked through the tutorial and you still have questions, I can help walk you through it. Otherwise, that is, in general, how lists work. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.